someone who understands something better than me, and someone who can share it in a way that I can understand. I would like to introduce everyone to Mitch Robson, who has shown me something. We started discussing this early this year. He had this big book. It's big for me to carry. I see him in this big physics book, and he's asking me things, telling me things, and then he gives me a small scrap of paper. And it says, Theories of Quantum at blogspot.com. I'm like, oh, this is cute. Boy, with this big book, he's showing me a website that he found where he's getting all this information. I underestimated quite a bit.
Okay, this is an introduction to quantum mechanics, and I'm in 5th grade. My name is Mitch Robson. Okay, here's how I became interested in quantum mechanics. 2 years ago, I read something in a book called Schrodinger's Cat that's probably going to take too long to explain right now. So I can explain it at recess. And so recently I created a blog, and this is the address, which I can briefly show at the end. And basically what quantum mechanics means is there's 2 parts to it. Quantum means a tiny, tiny bit of energy. And it's equal to something multiplied by a number called Planck's constant, which is really small, 6.626 times 10 to the power of negative 34 joules a second. And you can only have certain amounts of energy. You can't have 1.5 Planck's constant. You can only have 1 Planck's constant, 2. You can't have 1.5, 2.5, 3 1/4. You can only have whole numbers multiplied by that. So, mechanics is the physics of motion, how things work. So, basically the reason quantum mechanics was invented was because something called Newtonian mechanics, which originated from Isaac Newton, had a couple things wrong with it. Because there were a couple laws, like relativity and locality, that were made after Newtonian mechanics. And this made it not valid anymore. And Newton had 3 laws of motion. One was that if something is sitting still, that it will stay still unless a force is acting on it. Like this table will stay still. And the second law of motion says that, well, to explain it in an easier way, if I hit a golf ball, the force of me hitting it equals the mass of the golf ball, how big it is, times how fast it's going. So in that case, the mass is pretty small and the acceleration is pretty big. But if I do the same thing, if I hit with the same force, if I hit a truck, then there will be a big mass and a small acceleration, so it all evens out. And the third law of motion says that